I see you're interested in glycerin soap making. Well, sometimes it's also known as melt and pour soap making, and it's a great choice if you're starting out in soap making and you don't want to use lye. It's fast, it's simple, but it allows you a really great way of being very creative. Plus, you can incorporate a ton of additional ingredients into a broad range of different soap bases. I'm Sarah Janes and I'll be your guide throughout this online programme. We've got some great projects for you and we'll really take you right from zero all the way through to making a ton of different projects. In fact, I think there's over 20 projects in these videos alone. Now, you don't need any prior experience to be on this programme. We'll make sure that you understand all of the concepts from simple equipment that you've probably already got in your kitchen all of the way through to making really lovely soaps. And the great news is that those soaps will be ready to use in just one day. Now, whether you're wanting to make beautiful natural soaps using botanicals and essential oils, or whether you're wanting bright, funky, fun projects, we've got them all covered. You're going to be learning how to create simple botanical soaps, then we'll be moving on and you'll learn about layering, embedding, then we'll add on shaping the soap so that you can get really creative. Then we'll add in glitter effects and other things too. And glitter doesn't have to be plastic based. In fact, we don't use plastics at all. We'll purely be using mineral glitters or biodegradable options. And whether you're wanting to make simple bars or entire loaves, this course will take you through the entire process, start to finish. This is also a wonderful way to create soaps with younger children. Of course, they have to be supervised, but it's super fun. Now, if you're ready to enroll and get started, click on the Enroll button underneath. I can't wait to get started with you. I hope to see you soon.